Want to provide extra care to your feet? Here's a DIY foot mask that can help you. To make this foot mask, you will need 1 tablespoon orange peel powder, 1 tablespoon honey, rose water with petals, and some milk to mix the mixture. This foot mask will help in peeling your dead skin, reducing tanning, moisturizing your feet, and also giving your skin a bright glow while helping it heal faster. To make the foot mask, start by adding 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder to a small mixing bowl. Orange peel powder is filled with antioxidants and reduces signs of aging. Now add rose water. Rose water helps in toning the skin while balancing its pH. Then add raw milk to the same bowl. Raw milk helps in brightening the skin, and the lactic acid present in it facilitates the cleansing of the pores by the removal of bacteria. Now add 1 tablespoon honey to it. Honey is a natural humectant and it facilitates gentle exfoliation. Now that all the ingredients are added, mix them well, and once the mixture transforms into a smooth consistency, then your foot scrub will be ready. Take the prepared foot mask and apply it with the help of a flat brush over your feet. Leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes and relax in the meanwhile. Also make sure that you don't move your feet too much. After the mask dries, soak your feet in a tub full of cold water and start scrubbing your feet to peel off the mask. Once done, wash your feet and pat dry with the towel. Now, moisturize with a thick and creamy foot cream. And voila, your feet will feel softer and more beautiful than before.